How to delete watch history on TikTok. First of all, let's navigate and open the TikTok app. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right. On this page, tap on three lines at the top and a sidebar will appear where you may find watch history. But if you don't see it, go to settings and privacy. Here you will find the first option, Activity Center. Open it. Inside the Activity Center, open Watch History. Here you will find all the videos you have watched on TikTok. If you want to remove specific videos, tap on Select at the top right and choose the videos you want to delete. But if you want to remove all of them, tap on Select All Watch History at the bottom and then tap on red delete button. Confirm your action by tapping delete again. It will only take a couple of moments and there you go. Your watch history is deleted. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.